What separates a good day from a great one, or a good market from a breakthrough? One word, y'all: mindset. Hey, friends, it's your favorite realtor, Shonda McRae here. And today, on day 73 of my 100-day challenge, we're not just talking real estate, we're talking real life. And this is whether you're buying your first home, or you're building a business, raising a family, or just trying to make it through the week. Your mindset matters. Now, we know mindset is the foundation. It determines how you react when things doesn't go as planned. How do you push forward when you hit a wall, or even show up when the results aren't instant? And I know for me, real estate has taught me this in big ways. Some deals fall apart, some clients ghost me, and some days feel like wins. And I'm gonna tell y'all, there's others that feel like setbacks. But it's your mindset that keeps you grounding and going. And I'll tell you, a winning mindset, it means choosing belief over fear. It means staying committed even when it's quiet. It means controlling what you can control, and that's your efforts, your attitude, and your response. So, whether you're an agent or a client or just someone that's chasing a goal, guard your mindset like it's your most valuable asset, because in many ways it is. So, what's one mindset shift that changed the game for you? I want to know. Drop it in the comments, or you know what? Share this video with someone that you believe that needs to hear this. As always, excellence rooted in integrity and delivered with urgency when you work with me. So let's keep growing. See y'all for day 74.